Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi not showing up problem on Windows 11 or 10. So let's get started. First, open the search box and type Services. Click on the Services option to open it. Once the Services window is open, search for WLAN Autoconfig. Right-click on WLAN Autoconfig and select Properties. Check if the service is running. If it's not, click Start to initiate it. Set the startup type to Automatic by selecting it from the drop-down menu. After that, click Apply and OK to save your settings. Try reconnecting to your Wi-Fi to see if the issue is resolved. Next, go to the search box again and type Device Manager. Click on Device Manager to open it. In the Device Manager window, expand the Network Adapters section. Find your Wi-Fi adapter in the list, right-click on it, and select Update Driver. Choose Browse My Computer for driver software, then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Click Next, and a message should appear saying, Windows has successfully updated your drivers. If the issue persists, return to Device Manager, expand Network Adapters, and right-click on your Wi-Fi adapter again. This time, select Uninstall Device. After that, go to the Power Management tab in the Properties of the Network Adapter and uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Click OK to save the changes. If the problem still isn't resolved, search for System Configuration in the search box. Open it, go to the Services tab, and ensure all services are selected by clicking Enable All. Click OK and close the window, then restart your computer. Hopefully, this will resolve the issue. If this video helped you out, make sure to join the Show Me Software free newsletter. It's linked in the description below. In this newsletter, I will tell you about the latest software tools and AI that can make you more productive at work and also improve your personal life in many different ways. You can also reply to these emails with any technical support questions you might have, and I'll do my best to help you out for free. This newsletter is completely free and will always be free. So click the link in the description to sign up.